Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, I'm outside in my truck recording because I was trying to make this video for you guys inside my house, but the lighting sucked, first of all, and my family just kept making noise. My son kept running around, so I just kept getting distracted, and I just want to get this video over with, especially because a lot of you have been asking me questions about my braces. And if you see me looking down, that's because I have my notes here written down to keep me on track. So let's just jump right into these questions. The first one a lot of you guys have been asking me is the price. How much did I pay for my braces? So I am paying roughly around $4,000. I didn't pay it right off the bat. Of course, I gave my down payment in the beginning. I'm paying a monthly about $125 a month. I know a lot of you get a little uncomfortable talking about prices, money, and all that, but I mean, this is a question you guys have been asking, and I don't mind answering that with you because the price varies on certain people. It depends how much your treatment is. It depends how bad your teeth are. It depends on your ortho. It just depends on so many things, and the price they estimated for me was $4,000. Like I said, it just depends on your situation. And the second question you guys have been asking is the different types of braces there is. There are many different types of braces. There are metal ones, there are ceramic ones, and I believe there's these retainers. They're like Invisalign, but I heard those don't work as good as the ones that the ones with brackets. The ones I have, as you guys can see, are these metal ones. These are the cheapest ones. The ceramic ones are about $500 more, and the Invisalign are pretty expensive. I honestly don't know how much those are. Don't quote me on that. But I chose the cheapest ones they had, which are these metal ones. The only difference with the ceramic and the metal ones are the ceramics are obviously visible, but they're less visible than the metal ones, which I didn't mind. I mean, I think people look cute with braces. I mean, I don't have an issue with my braces showing at all. So I chose these metal ones. And the next question here is the duration. How long do I have to keep them on? Well, they gave me a 18-month period for my braces, and I am now marked on the 17th month. So that means next month I will be getting them removed, which is pretty exciting. I cannot wait to see how my teeth look without braces. I've had these braces on for so long that I forgot how it feels to not have braces. But I cannot wait to vlog that for you guys. It's gonna be pretty exciting, to be honest. It's a bittersweet feeling because I mean, I've had these braces on for so long that they feel like they're a part of me, but at the same time, I mean, who doesn't want straight teeth? And that was a big concern with me. My teeth weren't so bad before having these braces on, but I mean, I just was pretty insecure, I guess you can say. The next question is, how was the process on getting braces? So my process was, I had to call and make a consultation. Then I went in the consultation. They took a few x-rays, and they took me in to this room, and they let me know my options, which are the types of braces they have, and they also gave me an estimate of how long I will be having them on and the price and all that. And these x-rays is something they look at to see if you have any cavities, if you have any any wisdom teeth coming in. But if you do have any wisdom teeth, you got to get those removed before getting your braces on, because if you don't get them removed, you'll be getting your braces on, and afterwards they will mess up your teeth. They will make your teeth shift. So that's what they do, is they remove your wisdom teeth. They obviously get rid of some cavities if you have any, and then the process goes on from there. They make an appointment and then they get your braces on. So the fifth question, this is the last question, is the pain. How painful is it to get braces? To me, it wasn't so painful. It was pretty tolerable. The only times it was painful was the first week I got them on, or whenever I would get my braces tightened, which is every month you get your teeth, or you get your braces tightened, and they remove just the little bands that you have and they put new ones on, and those are tighter. So obviously there's a little pressure there, and it's uncomfortable. It's not too painful, but it's a pretty uncomfortable feeling. And the time I would feel pain is when I would bite down or bite on anything or eat or anything like that. And the pain wasn't on your tooth, it was in the root, you know, like in your gums and all that stuff. And sometimes I would feel so much pressure on my mouth that the pain would run through my jaw and the back of my head, so that would cause a few headaches. But it wasn't nothing too extreme to where I couldn't handle it and had to go to like the hospital or anything. It was just take an Advil and the pain would go away. And another thing I forgot to mention to you guys is, you see these bands. I have to wear these bands literally 24/7. I have to wear them all day, every day. The only times I can take them off is when I'm eating or brushing my teeth. This is the end of the video. I feel like I was everywhere in this video, and I thank you guys for watching and supporting me. Before you guys leave this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with a few people who are thinking of getting braces. See you guys into the next video. Bye.